Hi, I'm Charles. This is a Froe, an old green woodworking tool. In my pocket is a pocket Froe. Okay, one of the features that makes the pocket Froe pocket friendly is the handle screws into the bottom and the top. So when you're storing it in your pocket, you have it screwed in the bottom, and that protects the sharp part, or protects you from the sharp part. And to use it, unscrew the handle from the bottom, screw it into the top, and now you've got a Froe. And when you're finished, screw out the handle, put it back in the bottom position. It's back to being pocket friendly again. That's the pocket Froe. I'm Charles. As always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.